Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are fine, children. And this is your English practice class. Okay, children. In English practice, we were doing the push in the class. Yes. Last time we had done page number 28. See each picture and select a word from the help box that names the picture. Yes, we had completed this page, but once more I am going to give you little recap, then we will go ahead. Alright, see each picture and select a word from the help box that names the picture. You have to identify the picture and find the correct word from the help box which names the picture. Alright, first one was grass. Yes. Second was dress. Third was kiss. Fourth was class. Fifth was chess. Sixth was brass. Seventh was mess. Eighth was ass. Yes, we have completed this page. I have just given you a little recap. Alright, and this is question number 1. Yes, na, grass. Those who have missed the class, for them I am repeating the this page. Alright, I am repeating the explanation of this page. Okay, so spelling of grass is GRASS grass, then dress DRESS dress, kiss KISS kiss. Okay, then a class CLASS class, then chess CHESS chess. Afterwards there is a brass BRASS brass. Then things are messy, so we will write mess here, MESS mess, and then ass ASS ass. Okay, so we had completed this, children. So now come to page number 29. Let's see question number 2. Okay, we will do question number 2. Alright, encircle the rhyming words from each line. The first one is done for you. Encircle the rhyming words from each line. First one is done for you. Means कि आपको राइमिंग वर्ड्स को, जो राइम कर रहा है एक दूसरे से, उन वर्ड्स को एनसर्कल करना है. यस, और पहला आपके लिए कर दिया गया है ताकि आपको इजी हो. ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं. फर्स्ट इज ग्लास GLASS. Then class CLASS and bless BLESS. Now see, children, class and glass is rhyming, isn't it? But bless is not rhyming with class or glass. So rhyming word इसमें से कौन सा होगा? कौन सा rhyme कर रहा है, children? Glass and class rhymes with each other, so we have to encircle glass and class. Alright, we have to encircle glass and class, GLASS glass and CLASS class. Okay, now second is loss, mass, toss. loss and toss. Okay, loss, mass, toss. Which rhymes with each other? Two words. Can you tell me, children? Loss and toss or loss and mass? या टॉस एंड मास? कैन यू टेल मी कौन सा वर्ड राइम कर रहा है एक दूसरे के साथ? चिल्ड्रन हरी अप, बताइए मुझे. लॉस और टॉस की लॉस और मास? लॉस एंड टॉस is rhyming with each other, isn't it? LOSS loss, TOSS toss, rhyming with each other, isn't it? Loss, toss. Yes na? Yes. Now come to third one. Third is less, LESS less, chess, CHESS chess, cross, CROSS cross. Okay, less, LESS less, chess, CHESS chess, cross, CROSS cross. Now you tell me, children, which two words are rhyming with each other? Can you tell me? Less chess or chess cross or less cross? कौन rhyme कर रहा है एक दूसरे के साथ? Tell me, hurry up. I think less and chess are rhyming with each other. Less and chess. Yes, because cross में o sound word आ जा रहा है ना? तो हम लोग less और chess को क्या करेंगे? encircle करेंगे. Yes, LESS less, CHESS chess. Yes, LESS less, CHESS chess. ठीक है, कर लीजिए चिल्ड्रन. You all are having pencil with you? Yes na? Do it. Less and chess. Okay, now let's see another one. Okay, it is pass. It is pass, PASS, pass. Then grass, GRASS, grass. And push, PUSS, push. PASS, pass, GRASS, grass, and PUSS, push. Now again your turn, children. You have to tell me which two words are rhyming with each other. Tell me, hurry up. Which two words are rhyming with each other? Pass, grass, push. Pass, grass, push. Pass and grass, I think. Yes na? Because both are having a sound word, isn't it? Pass and grass are rhyming with each other. PASS, pass, and GRASS, grass. Yes, so encircle both the words pass and grass, because push have U sound word, isn't it? Push have U sound word. All right, so it is also done. Last is hiss, HISS, hiss. Then second word is miss, MISS, miss. And third word is fuss, Fuss, fuss. Yes. Now can you tell me which two words are rhyming? Look, in his I sound word is here. In miss I sound word again here. But in fuss U sound word is there. So we can say that his and miss is rhyming with each other. His and miss is rhyming with each other. HISS his and MISS miss. Both are rhyming with each other. So you encircle his and miss. Okay. Alright. Understood, children? So question number 2, we have completed question number 2. Now see question number 3. One more question is here. Let's see it. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Okay, third is fill in the blanks with the given words. Means we have again a help box here. Few words are here. What you have to do? You have to choose the correct word and fill in the blank. Alright? Yes, na? So, let's see the words first. What is given in the help box? First we will see the help box. Then we will go to the sentences where we have to fill it. Okay? First word is class. CLASS, class. Second word is glass. GLASS, glass. Third word is grass. GRASS, grass. Fourth word is dress. DRESS, dress. And fifth word is chess. CHESS, chess. Okay? Okay, children? First is class. Second is glass. Third is grass. Fourth is dress. Fifth is chess. Now let's see the sentences where we have to fill the words. Alright? First is the children are in the class. बच्चे कहाँ होंगे? क्लास में होंगे ना? यस. ग्रास में नहीं होंगे, ग्लास में नहीं होंगे, ड्रेस में नहीं होंगे, चेस में नहीं होंगे. कहाँ होंगे? बच्चे कहाँ होंगे? क्लास में. So we will write class here. CLASS, class. Okay? Children are in the class. Alright? Now come to second one. Let's see what is the question. The dash is full of milk. The dash is full of milk. मिल्क हम कहाँ रख सकते हैं? इसमें जो ऑप्शंस है उसमें क्या लगता है? चेस में मिल्क रख सकते हैं? ग्रास में? ड्रेस में? नो. We will keep milk in glass, isn't it? So the answer will be glass. GLASS, glass. Okay? The glass is full of milk. Alright? The glass is full of milk. Okay? Let's see third one. The dash is green. The dash is green. What will we fill here? The grass is green. Yes? The grass, GRASS, grass. The grass is green. Alright? I like to play. Okay, अब दो ही ऑप्शन रह गया children, dress and chess. Now you tell me कि ड्रेस से खेला जा सकता है क्या? नो. तब क्या होता है, क्या बचता है? चेस, isn't it? So I like to play chess. CHESS, chess. All right. Then fifth is I wear a new. पहनते क्या हैं हम? ड्रेस पहनते हैं. Yes. So I wear a new dress. DRESS, dress. Alright children, so we have completed this. Some practice. Book page number 29. Question number 2 and 3. You have to do question number 2 and 3. This is your work. Question number 1 you have already completed. Yes na? So do it. 2 and 3. This is your homework. Okay children? Thank you.